Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving a few practice sums on distributive property. So what is the distributive property we learned? We have learned that A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. And same way we can write this in a different way, which is we write this term, right hand side term, to the left hand side. So it will be A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. So we need to remember both these representations because both of them will be useful in solving our sums. So let's first solve the sums which uses this representation. Now when we use this representation, here we can have a minus also. If here it is minus, then here also it will be minus. We need to observe that we have two multiplication terms, two or more it can be. So there are multiplication terms which are separated by addition or subtraction. So when we have multiplication terms separated by addition or subtraction, and we have some common factor in the multiplication terms, we use this property. So let's take first example. So in this example, you see two multiplication term. So we have this as term 1 and we also have another term here. Two multiplication term separated by addition. So think about the distributive property. So in this case now it would be equal to, we take a common from them. Do we have a common? Yes, I see 297 here, 297. I have common. So I'll use common outside 297 multiplied by bracket. So I have taken out the common A, which was common. I have taken out multiplied by bracket. Now what I write? I write B. So from the first term, the remaining number. So 297 is already out. Remaining number is 17. So that goes inside the bracket 17. Then when I'm going from here to here, in between is plus, so I write that plus here, and then out of these two numbers, 297 is already out, so remains is 3. So that becomes equal to 297 multiplied by, we solve the bracket first, which is 20, and multiplying this becomes very easy. So answer we get is 5940. Let's take one more sum. So again we see two multiplication terms, term 1, term 2, and separated by positive sign. So we should think about this. In this, do I see a common? 54279. Here also I see 54279. So I'll take the 54279 common out. Multiplied by, inside bracket, the second number from this. In between it is plus, so I put plus, and from this term second number is 8, and that gives me 54279 multiplied by 100. Multiplication by 100 is easy. Write the number as it is and just add the number of zeros. So the answer is 5427900. Another one, let's take. Again we see two multiplication terms separated by subtraction sign. Two multiplication terms separated by a subtraction sign. We should think about this property. And here common term as 81265. So I take 81265 out, multiplied by the second number out of this term is 169. So I keep that inside. When I'm going from this term to this term, there is a minus in between. So I write minus here. Out of these two numbers, this number is out. So remaining is 69. So that gives me 100. And multiplication by 100 is, just add two zeros. Okay, so again we see a multiplication term which has 3 numbers, another multiplication term and a plus in between. So I should think about this. But when I see it, I don't see any common number. So if I don't see a common number, how can I use this? I cannot use this if there is no common number. But I see this 782 and 218. If I see 8 and 2, 10. So this is going to give me a number which is very easy to multiply, 1000. So there must be something inside here. So these two numbers, if I multiply, I get wow. So now I see a common number. And now it becomes easy because I can take the common number out, multiplied by inside the second number, which is 782 plus this plus then the second number 218. And together that gives me, if I add them, I get 1000, and multiplying by 1000 again, we know, write this number as it is and just write the number of zeros 1 2 3 here, and we have our answer. Now let's do a few sums using the other representation, which is, okay, so let's do the first one. Instead of multiplying these, what we do is we will distribute this 103 into two numbers. So that would be equal to 738 into 100 plus 3. And that becomes now A into B. So A into B, 738 multiplied by 100. Then the plus sign as it is, and then 738 multiplied by 3. Now it's become easy. 738 multiplied by 100 is plus, we can multiply by 3 easily. And that's going to be 76014. 97 into 33. How can I do? I can split this 97 into 90 plus 7, or this 33 into 30 plus 3. But the better approach is split this 97 as 100 minus 3. Because the moment I get 100, everything becomes easy. So A into B. Then while going from here to here, it's minus, and 33 into 3. So that gives me 3300 minus 99, and which is 3201. So even you can split the number using a subtraction also. So look for a closer tens or hundreds number. That will be always easy. Let's do one more. Straightforward, we can split this. So 168 multiplied by 1000 plus 168 multiplied by 5. You must watch our other videos on whole numbers so that you have complete knowledge of whole numbers. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we upload new videos. Till we meet again, bye bye.